To successfully install an eSIM, you need an eSIM-compatible device and a stable internet connection. Ready? Let's get started. First, you need to purchase an eSIM plan. To do this, go to Airalo.com on your laptop or another device. We have eSIMs to over 190 countries and regions. Simply find your destination, choose the eSIM plan you need, and purchase your eSIM. There are two key things to remember here: APN settings and data roaming settings. Depending on your eSIM, sometimes you need to change or turn these on. Keep this handy, as you'll need this info in a bit. On your device, go to Settings, Mobile Data, and tap Add Data Plan. You can add your eSIM by scanning the QR code or by doing it manually. Now that your eSIM has been added, it's a good idea to label it for easier identification and management. Click Secondary. We'll use this for your Airalo eSIM plan. We like to rename ours as Airalo and then the name of the country. Then select your default number. This should be your primary plan to continue using your number for local calls and SMS. You will also need to choose your default line to primary in iMessage, FaceTime, and Apple ID. Next, set your Airalo eSIM data as your default mobile data line. You need this turned on to update the APN settings, which we'll get to in a bit. Be sure to turn off Allow Mobile Data Switching to avoid high roaming bills on your primary data plan. To properly set up your eSIM, you sometimes need to change your APN settings. Go back to Settings, Mobile Data, choose your recently installed Airalo eSIM plan, then tap Mobile Data Network. Change it to your eSIM's APN settings. Other APN fields are optional. You may also be required to turn on your data roaming to properly access the network. Go back to your settings, Mobile Data, then toggle data roaming to on. Congrats! Your eSIM installation is now complete. If you're at your destination, your eSIM will automatically connect to the local network. You should see two network signals on your device, one for your primary line and the other for your Airalo eSIM. If you're not planning to use your eSIM yet, turning it on and off only takes a few seconds. Now you're all set. Be sure you download Airalo on the App Store to manage and top up your eSIMs on the go. Thanks for choosing Airalo, keeping you connected anywhere in the world.